Ow! For God's sake. Not another injury. Mind you, it's a red upholstery, so it'll be alright.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
God's sake. Not another injury.
Leaking.
How's your thumb?
Alright, yeah, a lot better. All the poison's gone now. So.
The poison's gone.
Yeah.
End up thinking, what's good?
Not a lot left, mate, I can assure you of that.
Next week on the workshop.
Fuel on. That's what they call a carb tickler. Bit of throttle, full throttle. Pull the decompression lever, wind it over a few times, and that'll just suck some fuel into it. It's quite cold, so we'll give it full choke. Round about halfway on your ignition. Little bit of throttle, roll her over,